Stuck with your manifestations? You guys need to watch this. Welcome back to the Manifesting Show with Jana and Ben, the show where I ask Jana the questions, she has no idea what they are, and she answers them. Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Isn't that wonderful? I'm being put through this every week. I don't know
Yeah,
what's
I know.
going to
It's a
happen.
bit cruel, but it's fun
Such a
for
great
me.
game.
So, last week, Jana, we were talking about how to ask the universe for whatever you want for your manifestations.
Yeah.
My question this week kind of follows on from that.
Okay.
It's talking about what you've asked for with other people. So often, if you're in a community or you've got someone in your life who also gets manifestation and they do it as well, is it a good idea to talk through what you've asked for before it manifests, or should you just leave it well alone?
Okay. So this is an important one, and I don't often talk about it. I did talk about it one or two times. Um, okay, this is how it goes. If you're extremely self-confident, we're talking JR, then and you know nothing and no one can screw it up for you.
Yeah,
And you don't care about stupid opinions about it and discouragement. And you're like, yeah, right. Ha ha ha. Be free, be open, and share.
okay.
But if you are not ultra self confident, and if you are worried that someone could say something what will put you off, and you will have to spend another week rebuilding yourself because they just crashed everything you've done in past 2 months,
Yeah,
uh, don't.
okay.
None of their business.
Yeah,
And this is when I'm gonna hold you accountable for situations and conversations with other people. If anything like that happens and you don't feel like answering, you need to be in charge of the conversation and you stop talking about it. You don't need to tell them you're not going to talk about it. You just stop talking about it instantly and you put a theme in there and you say, oh, by the way, I really need new chicken recipe. Do you have anything good?
yeah.
Or do you know how to make Victoria sponge? I need a good
Mm.
recipe. I really burned the other one. Or whatever. Have five, I always say, have five different good themes which you can use anytime. You know, when you're on a train or somewhere, think of five good things you can ask anyone at any time. You will not
Yeah,
look like an idiot. And you can totally divert the conversation.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because no, if you don't feel like talking about something, don't. I
Mm.
prefer people being open, but not if it jeopardizes them. So
Yeah.
if you feel that it could be a threat to you,
Mm.
don't.
Yeah.
Because they will put people have this weird um weird hobby to put ideas in other people's heads.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually our fault because we let them, but nevertheless,
Yeah.
you know, all the good friends saying, yeah, 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 you need to do this, you need to do that. Like, and you're telling me that why? First of all, I didn't ask. Second of all, for your advice. And second of all, you're gonna give me marital advice because you're divorced 3 times. Nice one. You know,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
back off a little. Yeah, so if we want to take advice, we take advice from the best experts we can find and afford,
Mm.
and we do not listen to friends and family.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can listen to a friend who's a step or level above you in what you're asking for,
Yeah.
or several levels above you, yes. But if it's a friend who doesn't know about anything about physics and manifesting and blah 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 blah, don't even go there. Really,
Mm.
it's like, what is the best oil for repairing this, and what is the how do I fix my door, and you know what is the best glue for
Yeah.
this? You know,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what you ask about, but you don't go into important things which have the potential to totally turn your life around.
Yeah. Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
So, yeah, just make sure your job is to keep believing and believing and believing, then turning into knowing, and then say, you know what? I know this is going to happen. I don't need to worry about it anymore.
Yeah.
But if you get yourself in an environment where people take you down all the time, or
Mm.
they have stupid questions or stupid comments and say, no, you cannot make money this way, and no, everything is a scam, Have you
Yeah.
noticed that the people who have no money call everything a scam?
Yeah.
And the rich people never call anything a scam.
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
So it's the level of fear. Yeah, it's the level of
Yeah.
fear.
Yeah.
Huge fear, no money, no fear, shitloads of money. You
Yeah.
choose. We
Yeah.
all have that option. We can all choose which one it is.
Yeah.
So just keep it safe until you are JR level.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, absolutely.
Any other question you would like to ask me today?
Um, just a kind of follow on a bit from that. That example I gave you was talking to somebody who also kind of understands manifesting. What if you're talking to someone obviously who doesn't understand manifesting? I wouldn't talk about it with them at all, to be honest with you.
I
My
wouldn't
question is,
talk
how
about.
do you stop getting dragged into their drama? Because these are the people who usually immerse themselves in the news and want to talk about the state of the world. And
Well, my first thing is I would never let them around me.
yeah,
I would never let them anywhere near me.
yeah,
They would not get a chance to have access to me.
mm,
That's number one. If you make that mistake or you're put ad hoc in a situation where
yeah,
you have to face them and you didn't know they were there. It's like Victoria Sponge
yeah,
over again. Do not engage. If someone finds out that's really interesting, oh, can you tell me more?
mm,
If I feel like it and I'm in a good mood, yeah, why don't I tell them more?
yeah,
I want, you can always turn someone around. But I think that majority of these closed-minded people will not be able to understand the consciousness you and I possess.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's a bit of a waste of time. However, if someone shows intelligence and interest, yeah, of course, enlighten them.
yeah,
But very this is one of the main rules of success and physics and manifesting. Worry about yourself. Don't
mm,
worry about other people.
yeah,
Other people are none of your business and you're not their business.
yeah,
That's one of the best rules I can teach you ever
yeah,
because that always leads to success.
yeah.
Hope that makes sense. Wonderful having you, Ben. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in next week,
Yeah,
as
we'll see you again
usual.
next week. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my God, a little while and there's going to be summer. I can't wait.
I know, I know.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting. Maybe we'll do it at a pool party. You never know. See you guys. See you
See you
next week.
guys. Bye
Bye.
bye.